और शुरुआत करेंगे एक बड़ी खबर के साथ, जहां आरबीआई ने मॉनेटरी पॉलिसी जारी कर दी है। आरबीआई गवर्नर शक्तिकांत दास ने रेपो रेट में 0.25% की बढ़ोतरी का ऐलान किया है। रेपो रेट में बढ़ोतरी का असर होम लोन, कार लोन और पर्सनल लोन की EMI पर पड़ेगा। इस साल ब्याज दरों में ये छठवीं बार बढ़ोतरी है। रेपो रेट बढ़कर 6.50% हो गया है। पॉलिसी का ऐलान करते हुए आरबीआई गवर्नर ने कहा कि महंगाई अभी भी चिंता का विषय है।
As you would be aware, the Monetary Policy Committee, that is the MPC, met on 6th, 7th and 8th February. Based on an assessment of the macroeconomic situation and its outlook, the MPC decided by a majority of 4 members out of 6 to increase the policy repo rate by 25 basis points to 6.5% with immediate effect. Consequently, the standing deposit facility, that is SDF rate, will stand revised to 6.25%, and the marginal standing facility, that is the MSF rate, and the bank rate to 6.75%. The MPC also decided by a majority of 4 out of 6 members to remain focused on withdrawal of accommodation to ensure that inflation remains within the target going forward while supporting growth. Accordingly, the MPC decided to raise policy repo rate by 25 basis points to 6.5%. The MPC will continue to maintain strong vigil on the evolving inflation outlook so as to ensure that it remains within the tolerance band and progressively aligns with the target. Inflation is expected to average 5.6% in the fourth quarter of 23-24, while the policy repo rate is, after today's revision, now stands at 6.5%. Adjusted for inflation, the policy rate still trails its pre-pandemic levels. Liquidity remains in surplus with an average daily absorption of 1.6 lakh crore under the LAF in January 23. The overall monetary conditions therefore remain accommodative, and hence the MPC decided to remain focused on withdrawal of accommodation.